Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give you unbiased review on the website that is holdonpretty.com. So if you are curious to know about this e-shopping platform, watch the video till the end because we are going to share the unbiased review and that will help you to decide either you should buy anything from this store or not. It is an online website that gives fantastic beauty products on the internet. The website sells various beauty products like Fairiness cream, serum for hair, face mask, lazy hair curler, and different types of spray in their online store. Like every customer has a priority to know about the legitimacy of this store before buying. So let's check out the specification of the site. It was created on 17th August 2020. It is a HTTPS store website. The email address which they have mentioned is matching the domain name and it is a positive sign. The product they are selling are like cream, serum, sprays. They have not mentioned their physical address. Moreover, they have not mentioned any contact details. There is no social media accounts available regarding this portal. The payment method which they are accepting are PayPal and Visa card. They return the defective products only, but the time they have not mentioned for return of the product. The positive point of shopping from this store are this company provides differently typed unique beauty products. If the product is damaged or replaced, they replace it and do not take any shipping charges. The website gives all the details of the beauty products and how to use it on our body. The negative point of the site are the website has only a 4% trust score. The company is newly created. It is very little time to ensure about this website. The shipping charges is not refundable when you return the product. They do not provide the company's details and the specific dates of any policy like return and refund. So the question is hold on pretty.com is legit or a scam? So as we have discussed, it is newly created website and it is just created for 1 year. Like the time is not enough for judging the website is legit or not. They have not mentioned their official address, which is not a good sign. Moreover, they do not have any customer review on their website. It gained only 4% trust rate for this website, which is terrible rate for believing. As we all know that customer reviews are a great help for checking out the details and legitimacy of the portal, but we are unfortunate that there is no review on the cosmetics and the website while checking and it looks suspicious. The user reviews play a vital role, so they lack the most important aspects of their legitimacy check. The absence of reviews are harmful sign for the check. So in our final verdict we can say that it is important that every website should be legit for the customer to be used after seeing this website. So we have decided that it is a suspicious website and do not buy anything from this company, and we recommend you all to stay away from this store so you may not lose your money by then. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please do write in comment box regarding your experience. We love to hear from you.